Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Savira Fitriana and my student number is 220141984. In this video, I'd like to share my response toward the first speaker of Affirmative team. With the motion, this house believes that government should ban and remove foreign startups. The first speaker said that the local startup doesn't ready to compete with foreign startup. But in fact, as we can see, the local startup has already enough to compete with foreign startup. For example, Gojek and Grab. Gojek is the local startup, while Grab is the foreign startup. Both of them almost have similar services, with the number of consumers is not much different. Based on the result of the Consumers Awareness Survey conducted by Spire Research and Consulting, 75 and 61% of correspondents said that Grab is the brand they have used in the last 6 and 3 months. Meanwhile, 62% and 58% of correspondents choose to use Gojek for the same category in the last 6 and 3 months. So we can conclude that local startup has already to compete with foreign startup. When local startup and foreign startup are able to compete in a good way, it will encourage the local startup to improve their capability. Actually, competition is needed in the running business because it will encourage them to continuously innovate the services that can attract the attention of the consumers. With the competition, local startups will be motivated to develop their capability so that the consumer prefer to choose their services or goods that offered by local startup. Moreover, by allowing foreign startups to operate in Indonesia, it will create a competition field, and then that condition will develop the economic growth efficiently. The other beneficial is it will improve the level of welfare in the society. Alan Greenspan, the former governor of the FED, said that the market economy grows in the 3 ways. First, the level of domestic competition, especially for developing countries. The second one is the level of openness of the country to trade. And the last, its integration with the other part of the world. So, we disagree if the government should ban the foreign startup in Indonesia because it can establish a great competition which encouraging the local startup to improve their capability. So that brings me into the end of my responses toward affirmative team argument. Thank you so much for watching my video and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.